Guys, the bangs are not banging today. They're just not. Hi, how are you? Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Yo soy Kaylee y bienvenidos a otro video. So, I checked the weather. Apparently, next week, towards the end of the week, the highs are supposed to be in the 80s to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not sure what that is in Celsius for my non-American viewers, but I figured maybe since it is technically fall, I haven't looked it up, I could unbox haul my cold weather clothes. And by storage, I just mean out of the boxes that I've had them in. I have my winter clothes in a box underneath my desk. I use it as a footrest. So I will probably put the box back even if the clothes is in my closet. And then I have two smaller little bins, one with like long sleeves and then the other one with scarves and stuff like that. And then I have a couple of long sleeve fall-esque pieces. And then I have this one from my cajones, and half of it is shorts and half of it is long sleeves. So I wanted to show these long sleeves even though they're already in my closet technically. Noodles has to be the star of the show, like he just has to. And Diesel's here too. Hello Diesel. Boop boop. One, I wanted to say sorry if the fan is kind of loud throughout this video. And two, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, this video might seem kind of redundant because I've shown a lot of these clothes in like thrift hauls and buy hauls and like closet cleanouts and stuff. So if it's annoying to watch me show the same pieces over and over, then it's totally okay if you skip out on this video. I don't blame you. I guess I'll start with these clothes. I'm so excited for fall because it's, you know, the Bella Swan season. I guess I'll start with a Bella Swan-esque piece. This is like directly inspired by her. It's this little Abercrombie Henley. It has a little hood. I love a good hooded Henley. I'm so excited to be able to wear all these pieces that I love a lot. As you're gonna see, a lot of the stuff is very similar, just in different colors. I very much kind of stick to flannels, baseball tees, Henleys, and baby dolls. It's kind of my go-to. And I got this on Mercari. The seller was super sweet. She included a little bracelet, and I do wear that bracelet to this day. Yeah, the little teal one. I styled this in one of my Twilight outfit videos. Maybe I'll redo another Twilight outfit video. Maybe not, but my style is much different, so I think it'd be interesting to see my take on it now with the darker color palette. The next one, you guys have seen a butt cheek ton as well on this channel. It's this little ballet shrug by the Japanese dancewear brand Coquette. So cute. I love wearing this with the little lace cami and gray knee-high Converse. So cute. I've worn that outfit so many times. As you can probably tell, this is going to be a long talking video, so maybe you can like clean or draw or scroll on Pinterest while I talk if you don't want to sit and watch me hold up clothes for 25 minutes. I have this tap out shirt. I thrifted this at a Goodwill in the little boys section, and I was so excited. When I was younger, around like 10, 8, I loved tap out. I had pink tap out shirts, so I thought it was really cool when I found this gray one. I've been on the hunt for a while. It's gonna be such a cute like shirt to skate in for the fall. I'm so ready to be able to be outside without melting. Oh, also, I don't have a Monster today. I'm drinking a coffee instead of Monster. I made this coffee yesterday. I'm not a Starbucks cup girly, but when I saw this pearlescent one, so the next couple tops are my favorite flannels. These two flannels were actually my grandpa's. My grandpa's name was Leon, and I was named after him, Kaylee, and he loved that. Every time we'd go anywhere, he would tell everybody, "This is my granddaughter. She's named after me. Leon." Really special to me. He's no longer with us, but still wear his flannels. He always wear like flannels and t-shirts with a pocket here for cigarettes. And then I have this brown one. And then I have this one that I got at the Goodwill bins. Honestly, one of the best bins finds because I've worn it so much. I wore it in this Instagram post. Everybody loves this outfit a lot, and so do I. This one's by Old Navy. The other ones are St. John's Bay, I think. So that's all in there. I kind of want to go through the sweaters first. I guess we'll go in order. These are like the lighter long sleeves, and then we'll do the sweaters, and then I'll show you my jackets in case you're curious. I don't know. Brand new with tags. I haven't gotten a chance to wear it. It's this pink brandy McKenna top. It's kind of cropped, so I think it would look cute with the lace cami underneath and the lace peeking out at the bottom. Then I have a gray version of that ballet shrug by Coquette. I thought this would be really cute over black things, or like my black leotard. My bangs are making me mad. They're making me mad. They are. Then I have this little brandy thermal floral. Not too much to say. I think this is more of an underlayer or a pajama piece, but it's so cute. I love their floral thermals. It just reminds me of childhood. Did you guys ever wear these to school under your clothes? Oh, I got a baseball tee. I used to wear baseball tees so much at the beginning of this channel. It's like a dark chocolate with a dusty gray blue. Then I have this little cream Henley by Aeropostale. I got this at Goodwill, I think. Oh, I got these on Depop, in case you're curious. And then I have a very similar one in 3/4 sleeve. It's like barely fits, almost too tight. But this one's by Hollister, and I really like this. I just wish it was a medium, but it has this little like pointel eyelet fabric, 3/4 sleeves, and then it has a little tie detailing here. Then I have this little brandy off the shoulder Bonnie top. I feel like these are so cute, but I just wish they had a graphic on the front. I don't know, maybe I'll put something there, maybe not. It's a little plain, so we'll see how. And then I have the same one in black and white. This kind of looks like a panda. That's what it reminds me of. I've worn it a couple times and I really liked it. It's kind of kooky. I feel like this is a good October piece. Oh, then I have this Liz Lisa piece. I've had this and I have not worn it out, but I just can't bring myself to let it go. It's so cute. It's gray and has lace and a little bow. It has little like frilly sleeves. I love everything about this in theory, but when I put it on, I feel like a child. I don't know, something about this layering, it makes me feel very childlike, and I understand that's kind of how Lolita Gyaru fashion is. I think it's just hard because I know I look young, and this makes me look even younger, so I don't know, but it's a really cute Liz Lisa piece. It's this little fleece I got at the Goodwill bins. It's just black little fleece, nothing too crazy. That's my little long sleeve bin. So we're gonna move on to the big tote now, which has my favorites, the baby doll sweaters. As we have cycled through the warmer months, I have gotten a hold of some more. Because people sell them really cheap during the warmer months. Since nobody's looking for winter clothes, they don't go for as much. So I think now that we're kind of getting back into fall and winter, I'm starting to see them posted a lot more, but for really expensive again. So we just start off with a bang. This one I had been on the hunt for, and I finally found it. Look how stinking cute. Oh my goodness. What the heck? I'm screaming. Are you screaming? It's by Abercrombie and Fitch. I think ideally I would have wanted it in a medium just because it is a little tight. But what I do with these sweaters is I will wash them in like cold water, and then you're supposed to lay them out to dry. Do not put your sweaters in the dryer. That's not a good idea. And then I just kind of stretch them out a little bit and I kind of let them dry flat. I love it. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to be able to wear these. I say that now, but I hate the cold. I really do. Next, I have a couple of these square neckline baby dolls. I have this dark gray one by Hollister. Really cute. I wore this one a lot last year. And then I have the same thing, but by Abercrombie, the kids one, in a cream color. This was the first baby doll sweater I had gotten, so I would consider this one like my gateway. Once I put this on, I felt so beautiful, and then I went crazy hunting for the different colors. But yeah, Then I have a couple of striped ones. Looking at this, it makes me feel a little crazy to see all the ones I have. But it's like, you know, baby doll tops with the lace cami. That's my base. You know, it's kind of what I'm wearing today. It's what I wore in my last video and probably the video before that and before that. So I have this brown gray one. Even seeing this one makes me so happy. This is one of my favorites. I wore this so much. I just love this shade of brown, and the quality of these is so nice, so beautiful. It's gravy. And then I have a gray one. This one's by Hollister. I also really like gray and cream lately. This is one of the new ones as well, and I got this for super cheap. It's this beige and white one by Hollister. It just says medium, so it's a little big on me. I'll take a break from all the baby doll sweaters to show you some other stuff, and then I'll go back to the baby doll sweaters. I have a couple of thermals. This one's the Ahern thermal by Brandy. I love Brandy's chocolate brown. Chef's kiss. Then I have this gray McKenna top by Brandy. I like the ribbing on this one a lot. Oh, I have another one of those floral. This is blue. My mom picked out a couple of things for me last year. So I have this little teddy bear cardigan. Oh, I got another baseball tee. This one's in brown and black. I like this color combo. It reminds me of New Moon. I'm like wearing this with my New Moon tote bag. This top is really special to me. So my very first job was at Church's Chicken. And I worked there for many years, and then it just got to be too much. They were scheduling me a lot of hours, and I was just trying to enjoy my senior year of high school. So I put in my 2 weeks, and I was like, hey, I'm sorry. And they threw me a goodbye party. I've worked a couple jobs, and none of them have ever done something like that. Like, it kind of just goes to show how close we all were as a little family. And I still can't believe that my managers went through all the trouble for me. At the goodbye party, I got gifts. It was mostly set up by my shift leader, Emily, and Emily got me all my favorite things. I still, to this day, like, I can't. It was one of the sweetest gestures ever. So I was heavy into skateboarding. Like, during my breaks at churches, I would go to the skate park and just skate for like 10 minutes before I had to go back. She went to Zoomies and she picked out this Rick and Morty shirt for me. It's so cool and very skater-esque. And then she got me a Vans backpack because my backpack at the time was super dirty, and so she's like, I think you need a new backpack, and she got me a new Vans backpack. And then she got me a case of Monsters and a case of spicy picante beef ramen. They don't make it anymore. So going back to the baby dolls, I have this gray one. It's so cute. It's like a little v-neck. I like this a lot with the gray lace cami. Hollister was kind of smart last year, and they decided, well, we should make baby doll sweaters again. So I got this cream one. It's still really cute. It's just a little modern and simple compared to the older ones. I really like this one. It makes me feel like a princess. And I got the same one in tan. I did not get around to wearing it last winter. Then I have this green baby doll. I love this one so much. I've worn it a lot on this channel as well. Oh, the sleeves are all... This little green one by Abercrombie. So cute. Then I have this dark brown one. Yeah, I like the really dark brown. Very New Moon. I have another baseball tee. I wore this one on my very first video on this channel. I still really like that video. Probably the video I'm most proud of. I like the editing and the songs, and my brother's music's in there. My brother makes music. I mentioned that my dad made music a couple videos back, but my brother also makes music. It's like a long generation. Like, my brother makes music, my dad made music, my grandpa made music, his dad made music. Like, it's just a long line of... I think this is the last baby doll. I thrifted this one of my favorite thrift finds. So cute. I think I styled this one on my Instagram as well. One of my favorites. This is one of my favorite winter pieces as well. It's this white thermal from Brandy. It has lace at the top, a little bow. So cute. I love wearing this one with my cowboy boots. I don't know what you call these. They're Mexican hoodies. I don't know. I got it at the bins and it's black and white. Yeah, this is made in Mexico. Another like boring basic piece. There's lint all over it, but it's a black Henley. It's like the Walmart brand. I think I got this thrifting. This is another one of the tops that my mom got me. Little like brown Henley with the white lace. The last box. So the first thing I have in here at the very top is my favorite beanie. My mom got it for me. We were at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx or something. It's by the brand Timberland. My dad loves his Timberlands. I see this hat, I think of him. This is Timberland. I like the little pom-pom. Hopefully I don't get like concealer all over it, but definitely my favorite beanie for the winter. Do you like my beanie, Diesel? And then I have a couple scarves in here. I have a couple of Vivian scarves. First I have this black and gray one. I got this from Baby as well. It's a little bones and the Vivian orb and little pom-poms. Pom-poms are so fun for the winter. Then I have this one. I don't know what color this is, like a tan gray kind of color. And then a darker black gray. It has these little pockets. You can either put your hands in or you can put your gloves in here. And then I got this one for my birthday from Liz. How stinking cute. She said she found it thrifting. It's a new moon scarf and it's brown and black. This would look so cute with the brown and black baseball tee. It's so funny. I make myself laugh. Wyatt says it's funny when he watches my videos because I'm not funny and I just laugh at nothing. That's what he says. I laugh at nothing. Whatever. Then I have this DC one that I got from Baby. It's another skater one. Skater die, man. He's so tall. Do you see this? Okay, see you later, bro fist.
But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Against such things there is no law, and those who belong to Christ Jesus have crucified the flesh with its passions and desires. If we live by the Spirit, let us also keep in step with the Spirit. Let us not become conceited, provoking one another, envying one another. Galatians 5:22 through 26. Fruit of the Spirit is good. It's nice to be reminded of the things we should strive for.